Yeah, hello, Nico. What's this? This is the water ripple stainless steel sheet. Wow, I know that is very popular. But why is very popular? Yes, I think this is a unique pattern. You can see that this is large and this is middle, this is small. Also, you have the different colors. So others the decorative stainless steel sheet cannot do like that. Does it high temperature resistant? Sure, it is stainless steel, so it can not only the high temperature resistance, also the corrosion resistance. It can keep many years. How to maintain and clean them? It's very easy to clean and maintain. I show you. We can use a damp cloth or the grass cloth. Then you will become bright and straight. So it's very easy. Yes. Can it used for outdoor decorating? Sure. Normally it's used for the ceiling or for the interior design, but it can also use for the outdoor light architecture. Oh, thank you very much for your opinion. You're welcome. If you are interested about our water ripples, welcome to contact us and send your inquiry. Thank you.